for pros. Good morning, folks. What is the next step up from the YTK-46k21 Husqvarna with the Crawler Courage 21? Model numbers serving beyond just a unique identifier often encode additional information. Or rather, any comparable model. By comparable model, I mean literally it looks like this. Now, if you cut less than 3 acres a week, you do not want to upgrade your lawnmower unless it is to one of them little robot ones. But if you do cut more than 3 acres a week, this is your step up right here. An eXmark Lazer-Z, known as the zero turn because it can turn on a dime. Or rather, more specifically, it has a turning radius of 0. It can turn in place. It is powered by a crawler with 2 cylinders. Yeah. The essential electrical network of this machine is described by a key switch with off, start, and run states, and a PTO engagement switch. The PTO engagement switch enables a solenoid that activates the clutching mechanism of this contraption here, enabling the blades to do their work. This contactor and the starter below it are what is needed to start this engine safely and easily. And here, for the purposes of running the engine for more than a second, we have the fuel cutoff solenoid / servo. This underseat battery is charged from an alternator here with an embedded regulated rectifier. For ignition via spark, there is a coil of high tension on each cylinder. That is one, and there's the other. We have now described the essential electrical network of this machine. The safety systems of this machine, which are no longer present, having rotted away or been discarded, electrically would ground the kill switch of both ignitions, cut off the fuel. Due to the seat sensor, or rather occupancy of the operator, a tilt sensor if you had rolled over, and therefore potentially save your life. Additionally, there is an engine over temperature switch. Now, if you measure the amount of grass that you need to cut in a given week by the field, not by the acre, then you want this. This is called a Batwing mower. Has 3 decks, 3 blades each. Device in the middle is to pull up the side mowers in order to fit through a gate. It is manufactured by Woods. Power takeoff required. And here's the view out of the back of the head of an operator of this machine. Mechanically, we have a gearbox driven by the PTO that then transmits through 3 universal links to 3 more gearboxes that then go on to 3 more belt and pulley systems on each of the nearly but not exactly identical decks. 3 hydraulic pistons, cylinders, allow the raising of the decks. Hydraulic pump required. The hydraulic pressure is distributed from this point. We have thus described the essential mechanical and hydraulic network of this machine.